Yes, good morning, students. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in the last class, we were discussing the expectation operator. So, in that, we were discussing about the expectation operator as a linear operator, and it was applied to the linear transformation function, and we have seen many relationships. So, here, the last we stopped was so here we have considered a random variable x with a mean 0 and a variance is equal to 1. So for that we have seen that the mean of random variable y it will be equal to b, and also we have derived that the variance it will be equal to a square. So now we'll continue with this. One more relationship is there. So after that we'll take problems on the expectation operator from the exercise part. Okay. So here the last relation is, so here we are going to consider, I just is the screen visible for you? So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
okay. So here we have we know that, so here we have derived that, so here sigma x square, that is the variance of the random variable x, it is taken as the expectation of the square of the random variable x about its mean, right? So this relationship we have derived. So here we can show the relationship between the variance of a random variable x in terms of the mean as well as the second moment about the origin. So that we'll see here. So here in the next step, so here it can be written as, so here if you expand this, so here x minus mu x whole square, it is nothing but it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here if you expand this, it will be like x square minus 2 mu x into x plus mu x square, right? So now by applying the linear property of the expectation operator, so this can be split up. So that is we can write expectation of x square minus 2 is constant that you can take it outside, and mu x is also a constant that you can take it outside, that is the mean, into expectation of the random variable x plus expectation of mu x square. So that is nothing but expectation of x square is nothing but the expectation of square of the random variable about its origin. So here we have seen that this is nothing but a second moment. So here that can be written as m2 minus 2 into mu x. So here this expectation of x, it is nothing but the mean of the random variable x. So that is we can write this as mu x plus expectation of mu x square. So here mu x square is nothing but a constant. So here we'll simply write this as a mu x square. So here in the next step, it reduces to what? So here this will be equal to m2 minus 2 mu x square plus mu x square. So this will be equal to m2 minus mu x square. So mu x is nothing but the mean. So here, as you know that mu x, that is the mean, it is taken as the first moment about the origin. So that will be represented as m1. So here we can write m2 minus mx, mu x it is replaced as m1 to the power 2. So here this is the relationship that we can use to calculate the variance of a random variable x. So suppose if you know the second moment as well as the first moment of the random variable x about the origin. So with this we are going to take some problems from the expectation from the exercise. So here uh, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This relationship you must remember, so that it will help you to solve the problems. So now let us take the problems from the exercise. So here I'll just share the screen of the questions. Yes, is it visible now? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay. So first copy down the first problem from the expectations. That is the 29th problem. So here we are given the PDF for the random variable y, which is expressed as, so when you say the PDF, it is in terms of the small letter. So here we have fy of y is equal to 1.5 into 1 minus y square with the within the range 0 to 1, and for other values of y it is 0. So given this PDF, we are asked to calculate the mean of the square and the variance of the random variable y. So this is the first problem. So copied on this, we'll just go on solving this problem in the notebook. Shall I share the notebook now? Problem ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? I'll just rewrite this once again in the notebook that you can go through. So here we are given with the PDF fy of y is equal to, it is defined as 1.5 into 1 minus y square, which is defined between 0 less than y less than 1, and for other values of y it is 0. Given this, we are asked to calculate the mean of the square and variance of random variable y. So these three parameters need to be calculated when you are given with the PDF. So here now, so we have seen the equations in terms of x. The same equations, they can be rewritten in terms of y. So here what is the equation of mu y? Mu y, it is nothing but the expectation of the random variable y about the mean. That is nothing but we'll be calculating m1, that you must remember here. So here this is expressed as integral minus infinity to plus infinity y into fy of y with respect to y. So here we were writing like x into fx of x into dx. So but here since we are given with the random variable y, so here this is written in terms of y. So you just know how to write the equations in terms of various random variable. That's it. So here since the PDF it is given only between 0 to 1. So here we are going to change the integral values from minus infinity to plus infinity as 0 to 1 into y. So here fy of y is nothing but 1.5 into 1 minus y square into dy. So substitute the equation of fy of y, and for other values of y it is 0. So now what we do? So here in the next step 1.5 is common, integral 0 to 1. So multiply this y into, sorry, y into 1 is y minus y cube with respect to dy. So here integrate this term with respect to y here. So what we get? So 1.5 into integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2 minus y to the power 4 by 4. So substitute the limits as 0 to 1. So now substituting the upper and the lower limit, what you get? Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೀನು? 1.5 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. First I'll substitute the upper limit, and minus of this thing it will be with the lower limit 0, that will be 0. Simplify this.
Point 37.
Yes, this is equal to 0.375. So here this is the mean value. And next, similarly, can you calculate the second moment? Second moment of the random variable, it is represented as e of y square, which is simply taken as m2. So what is the equation for this? Integral minus infinity to plus infinity y square into fy of y into dy. Substitute the equation of fy of y and simplify this and tell me the answer. So integral changes to 0 to 1 y square 1.5 into 1 minus y square with respect to y. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So 1.5 is constant, integral 0 to 1 y square minus y to the power 4 This is equal to 1.5 y cube by 3 minus y to the power 5 by 5 with the limits 0 to 1. Substitute the limits, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 you get. So take the LCM. So this is equal to 1.5, LCM is 15. So 5 minus 3, that is equal to 1.5 into 2 by 15. So here this is uh, 15 to the 30, that is 3 by 15. So that is,
Point two, ma'am.
yes, okay, okay. 1 by 5 is 0.2. Banta answer. And this is the value of expectation of the square of the random variable y about its origin. Similarly, now go for calculating the variance. So what is the equation of variance? Variance is expectation of square of the random variable y about its mean. That you must know how to tell it. So here the variance sigma y square is nothing but the expectation of square of the random variable y about its mean value. So this is given as, what is the equation for this? Integral minus infinity to plus infinity y minus mu y whole square into fy of y with respect to y. So in terms of x, we have seen the equation. Rewrite that in terms of y here. So now integral, it changes from minus infinity to plus infinity to 0 to 1. So here we have 0 to 1 y minus, so you have calculated mu y. So what was the value of mu y? Mean of the random variable ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? 0.375. Substitute that.
0.375.
ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ y ಮೈನಸ್ 0.375 whole square into 1.5 into 1 minus y square into dy. Simplify this. So 1.5 is constant. Integral 0 to 1. You can expand this. So expand ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Y square minus 0.375 square minus this plus minus 2 into 0.375 into y. So 2 into 0.375 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ that is equal to 0.75 into y multiplied by 1 minus y square. It will take time. You just simplify. So I'll just 1.5. So when you multiply and simplify this, the final answer that you are going to get is 0.0594. See here, this method, it takes a long time, right? You need more time to simplify this square terms as well as for performing the integration. So instead of this, what we can do? So in the previous, at the beginning, we have seen the equation or the relationship between the variance and the moments, first moment and the second moment. So here, instead of this, so you can also go with just a minute. So instead of this equation, what you can use? So here, instead of this, we have also seen that sigma y square, it can be expressed as m2 minus m1 square, right? So we have derived this relationship for the random variable x. So we have written sigma x square is equal to m2 minus m1 square. So here this one We have seen at the beginning of the class. So here directly you can use this equation and you can get the variance instead of performing all those integration for the third value. So here you can go with this method. So here M2 you have calculated. What was the value of M2? Second moment about the origin ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
0.2.
0.2. Yes. 0.2 minus mu y, it was obtained as 0.375. So square ಮಾಡಿ you can get the answer. Yes. Yes, what is the answer? Once again, you'll be getting the same answer, right? That is
0.059, ma'am.
Same answer you are going to get, right? So here instead of using all those, so you can use this method. So the answer remains same as 0.0594. So now take the next problem. Go with the next problem. Copy down the 30th problem. Copy down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The PDF for the random variable z is given. Fz of z is equal to 1 by 6 root z for the variable z, the independent variable z varying between 0 to 9, and it is 0 for otherwise. For this also we are asked to calculate mean of the square and the variance of the random variable z. So here I'll just rewrite this problem on the notebook. So here we are given with fz of z. So here we are given a random variable z with the independent random variable small z is equal to 1 by 6 root z, which is defined for 0 less than z less than 9, and for other values of z it is 0. For this, calculate the mean. Mean is nothing but mu z, which is equal to m1. So use the same method. So here directly instead of writing the formula, I just go on writing the solution for this. So here the integral minus infinity to plus infinity, it is replaced as 0 to 9. And here instead of writing x, fx of x, so here we'll just write z. We have fz of z is nothing but 1 by 6 root z. And it has to be integrated with respect to z. So 1 by 6 is constant. You can take it outside. And integral 0 to 9, z by root z, it can be written as what? Z by root z in ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು?
Root z into
Yes, root z ಅಂತ
root z.
ಬರೀತೀರಲ್ವಾ? So root z. So this is equal to 1 by 6 integral 0 to 9. So root z, it is nothing but z to the power 1 by 2 dz. So integrate it now. What is the integration of z to the power 1 by 2 now? That is 1 by 6 into z to the power
3 by 2 by
3 by 2.
3 by 2 by 3 by 2.
Yes, 3 by 2 by 3 by
3 by 2.
With the limits, how much? 0 to 9. ಈಗ simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So this is equal to 2 ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 by 18 z to the power 3 by 2 with the limit 0 to 9. So here 2 ones are 2 nines are, and 1 by 9 into 9 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 we have. So now make the calculation and get me the answer of mean of z. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 1 by 9. So this is nothing but it can be written as square root of 9 cube, right? 9 cube ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So 1 by 9, 9 square into 9 it can be written. So here 1 by 9 into 9 is taken outside from this, and 9 is into 3. So 9 and gets cancelled. What is the answer? 3. Panta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Ma'am.
Okay, now calculate the expectation of square of the random variable z about its origin. That is z square, expectation of z square, or it can be also be represented as z bar square, or this is also equal to m2. So this is equal to how much? What is the equation? Integral 0 to 9. Here we have z square into fz of z. Fz of z, it is written as 1 by 6 root z into dz. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೂಟ್ z ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ z to the power minus 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I have written like this. Three by 2 you will get into dz. ಹೇಳಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. What is the integration of z to the power 3 by 2?
Z to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2.
Yes, good. Z to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 with the limits 0 to 9. So this is 2 by 30 with the limits z to the power 5 by 2 with the values 0 to 9. So this is equal to 1 by 15, 9 to the power 5 by 2 minus 0 you will get. So this is equal to 1 by 15 square root of 9 to the power 5. So here this can be further written as 1 by 15. So this can be written as 9 square into 9. So 9 square andre 9 square ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ into 3.
16.2.
81 by 5. That is nothing but 16.2. Yes, correct answer.
2.2.
Correct. Next, how you are going to calculate the variance? No need of using the formula now. So whatever the relationship that you have derived, that is here not y, just make this as z. Sigma z square ಹೇಗೆ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
M2 minus
Yes.
M1 square.
M2 minus M1 square. Use this and get me the answer. So M2 is 16.2.
7.2.
Yes, good. 7.2. Yes, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು. And with this we'll go on to the next problem. So I admitted right. Okay. So 29th, 30th problem you have solved. So similarly, you can solve the 31st problem. So 31st problem, take that as an assignment. So next we'll take up with the next problem. So copy down the 32nd problem. 32nd problem, it is given as, it is described as a PDF is given which is described by 1 by 8 into z minus 6 for all values of z between 6 and 10 and is 0 otherwise. So what are the mean of the square and the variance of the random variable? So we are going to solve the 32nd problem. So let me share with a whiteboard. So here we have said that a PDF is given. So here PDF in terms of the variable z is given. So here we can represent the PDF as fz of z is equal to, it is described by what? 1 by 8 into z minus 6. And it is defined from between 6 and 10. So here we can write the limits as range as 6 less than z less than 10, and it is 0 for other values of z. So this is been given. So given this, we are asked to calculate the square of the mean as well as the variance. So now it is once again the same problem. Only the thing is it is given in terms of the word, so that you have to represent in terms of the equation. So once you write the equation, so simply you can go on calculating the mean, square of the mean as well as the variance. So now mu z, it is simple, it is same as that of the previous problems only. Only the thing is you should be able to write this equation from the given problem. So in barutte integral 6 to 10, instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, it is replaced as 6 to 10. Here we have z into fz of z. Fz of z, it is replaced as 1 by 8 into z minus 6 into dz. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? If you are able to solve this, we'll take up the next problem. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Take ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Anyone reply me back? Only the thing is you need to write the equation. So one the equation ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು next you can go on solving this. So next so here 32nd problem, 33rd problem, 34th problem, take that as an assignment along with the other problem. So 31, 32, 33, 34, they are similar to the previous problem that we have done. Okay. So next, take up the 35th problem. So what is the 35th problem? So in the 35th problem, we are given expectation of x is equal to 2.0 and expectation of x square is equal to 6. Find the standard deviation of x. That is the first part. And in the second part, if y is equal to 6x square plus 2x minus 13, find mu y. So here we'll do the 35th problem now. So for that, let us take the notebook here. So here what we are given, so here expectation of x is equal to 2.0. So expectation of x is nothing but what? It is the mean of the random variable x, which is also taken as the first moment of the random variable x about its origin, right? So this value is given, and along with that expectation of x square, that is nothing but the expectation of square of a random variable about its origin. It is also given as 6, which is simply represented as m2. So given this, we are asked to calculate, in the first part, we are asked to calculate the standard deviation of x. So we know the equation for calculating the variance. So variance equation ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Sigma x square, it can be calculated as what? Use the relation. So don't go for the equations. Whatever the relationship that we have derived in terms of m1 and m2, only that you can make use. So your sigma x square is equal to m2 minus m1 square, right? Simply you can go with this equation. So here we can write 6 minus 2 square is equal to 2. So once you get sigma x square, variance value bantu andre, what is the equation of the standard deviation? Standard deviation is simply sigma x, which is nothing but the square root of sigma x square. So that is equal to root 2. Root 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ you will get 1.4142. 4142 answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the answer for the first part. Similarly, second part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? So we are given with the equation. So transformation equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So y is equal to 6x square plus 2x minus 13 is given. So given this transformation equation, we are asked to calculate the mean of the random variable y. So here, mean of the random variable, it can be obtained by applying the expectation operator to each and every term present in the given equation. So here for this equation, if you apply the expectation, we can write expectation of y is equal to expectation of 6x square plus 2x minus 30, right? So expectation of y is nothing but what? It is the simply the value of the mean. So here expectation of y is mean of the variable y. So here apply the linear property. So this can be written as 6 expectation of x square plus 2 expectation of x. So whatever the constant you have, so that you can take it outside. So expectation of constant is constant itself, that you can write directly. So here what is expectation of x square? That is nothing but the second moment about the
M2.
origin. Yes, m2. That is m2 of random variable x, that you need to remember. Plus 2 into m1 minus 13. So values ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, m2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. m2 is how much? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ m2? 6 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 2 minus 13. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ simply you will get the answer for the mean of the random variable y. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
27.
27, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So this is a simple methods you can use to calculate the answers. And next, similarly you can solve the 37th problem. Okay, 37th problem is also like that. Only the thing is here the transformation function is w is equal to 1 by 3 x square. That's it. So expectation of w is equal to 1 by 3 expectation of x square. So expectation of x square, it is given as 1578.6. So you just directly do the calculation and give the answer. 38th problem, 39th problem, 40th problem, all are same. And here 41, 42, I'll solve it in the next class because it will take a longer time. So we'll solve the problems from 43rd to the remaining. So for that you need to have appendix. So from 43rd we'll solve in the next class. Okay.